For a really long time, I would struggle with procrastination. I wasn't really drawing. In a week, I would often just draw once a day. And it also wasn't like, a whole day. It was like, I don't know, 30 minutes. And it's not much. So I was thinking maybe it's not for me. Maybe I'm lazy. Maybe something wrong with me. Okay. So I would just sit at home and watch YouTube instead of drawing. And I knew that I wanted to draw. So I had to do something. And to be honest, it wasn't like, one change. It was like a couple of things that I added to my daily stuff. So those things really helped me. I actually went from drawing once a week or maybe once every 2 weeks to literally drawing every day and for like 3 or 4 hours. So I wish that I knew this earlier, okay, much earlier, like, I don't know, a couple of years ago. I would save a lot of time and I would make much more progress. So I've been drawing for a year now. I've made decent progress, but yeah, I wanna teach you all the things that I know so you can make even faster progress, even more progress. Okay, so the first thing, and I think it's like the biggest, was I just made a to-draw list. Okay, it's not to-do list, it's to draw. I use a site, okay, where I have, I don't know, I have like a checkbox, a to-do list, I guess, but instead of tasks and stuff, I just have characters from, that I want to draw. And what it does is, whenever I don't know what to draw, I just look at it and I draw the next thing, okay? So for example, I had like, I don't know, a couple of categories. In 1 week, I would draw 3 characters from League of Legends. In the next week, 3 characters from Overwatch, and I don't know, the third week I would do another, okay? And with each week I would draw, I would make a list, and the first 3, then the next 3, next 3, next 3, and I always knew what to draw. So because of that, I saved a lot of time, and actually it was saved a lot of time. And also the biggest reason I wasn't really drawing was because I didn't know what to draw, and because of that I now knew. So just made a to draw list, and every day look at it and you know what to draw. Easy as that. A lot of improvement. So the next thing will help you with consistency, okay? So for me, I was consistent, but I would draw once every 2 weeks. So it is kind of consistent, but it's not how much I would like to draw. So what it is a basic habit tracker. So for each day, so let's say, take a paper, okay, write some habits and, make squares that with each day, okay, if you do the task, if you do the habit, you just check it. I made it for also drawing. So, I would have task draw, and if I did draw that day, I would just check it. Simple, but also, when I was, I don't know, like tired, lazy or stuff, I just knew that, I gotta do that. So it kind of motivated me to draw. And because of that, I knew that in each day I would have to draw, and I did. So it really helps with consistency. Now, next one is something that will save your brain points, okay? I was thinking about it like a year ago, okay? Let's say you just wake up fully rested, you have 100 brain points, okay? And now each decision, okay, it may be like whatever you want to draw, whatever you want to wear, what you want to eat and stuff, it takes your brain points. So now maybe you're just came back from school, from work, and a lot of brain points are wasted, okay? So now you want to draw, but now you don't have the amount of brain points you need to, I don't know, to draw, to like think what you want to draw. So that's where you can use that thing. So what it is before you go to sleep, just plan the next day. It doesn't have to be like what you're gonna eat, what you're gonna wear or something. It just can be as simple as, okay, at that time I will draw this. Easy. It will save you a lot of brain points. So now it's the next day, you just came back from school, work, and you know what to draw. You don't have to waste your energy, your brain. to think about it. Okay, so that also helped me with being more consistent, being more productive. I wouldn't procrastinate as much. Pretty strong one. Okay, it's pretty easy. Just, I don't know, like take, I don't know, sticky notes and just think for like, I don't know, a couple of seconds what you want to draw tomorrow, or I don't know, whatever you want to do tomorrow. Now, something that will help you with being productive, with not procrastinating, but it more on a larger scale, okay, on the long term. So it is basically setting goals, and I've made a video about it. Why you need goals? I mean, you just need to know where you want to go. Easy, simple. So if you make a good goal, you will know what to do and where are you going. So for example, it may be a goal that, I don't know, in next week, you know, you have this time period, you want to draw, I don't know, 3 characters, 3 pieces, 3 illustrations. And now you know when, you know how, you know what, you know everything. It's much easier, and now you have all the informations to actually go where you want to go. And also you can make goals short term and long term. So short terms, as I said, like, I don't know, weekly or daily. Like, I don't know, this week I want to practice drawing heads, drawing faces. I don't know, like 30 minutes a day. That's a short term goal. And maybe long term, you want to, I don't know, you want to become an illustrator at, I don't know, Riot Games, let's say. So now let's go to something that actually have a huge impact on how you do stuff. And it's, I mean, it's pretty simple, okay? You may say that it's boring and stuff, but it's very important. It's have enough sleep and eat good food. So obviously I see whenever I sleep 5 hours, I don't want to draw. I don't want to, I don't know, I just want to sit and do nothing. It's like, I don't know, 5 or 6 hours, okay? And yesterday I slept for 6 hours. But yeah. And I see also the days that I sleep at least, you know, 7.5, 8 or 9 hours. I just wake up feeling productive, you know? I just want to do stuff. I mean, there's a lot of, you know, I don't know, information you can get on the internet to learn about getting better sleep. But yeah, also diet. So I see that whenever I eat carbs, I just don't want to do stuff. So that's why whenever I wake up on, you know, the days that I don't have to work, I just, first thing in the morning, I just do stuff that I want to do, and then I eat. So basically I fast, okay? And I see that it helps me with, you know, my brain functions, okay? I'm more sharp and stuff, yeah. And it's really interesting for me. I just like to, you know, to learn about those stuff. But yeah, and also there might be people that will actually criticize you for wanting to be productive, to be more productive as an artist. So they will say that, you know, just wait for motivation and stuff. Just wait, I don't know, for this idea that will hunt your brain or stuff. And I think it's bullshit. What I do, how I think about it, is I sit, I warm up, and I draw. And then, hopefully, something will hunt me while I'm doing it, okay? So I won't be like, I don't know, praying and, I don't know, just going somewhere and thinking, okay, do I want to draw? Do I have an idea? I don't know. Am I motivated to draw? I mean, not always, but I still draw. I still will practice. It's important to practice, and it's important to draw every day. If you want to become better at drawing, if you, I don't know, if you're comfortable and you like where you're at, then I don't do those stuff, just do whatever you want. But if you're like me, you want to improve your art, you want to become an art god, and you'll try to not waste a single second, okay? It's important to practice, to draw, to become better, to study, you know, and that's why I don't understand those people. Okay, and also like a bonus tip, I guess, make a schedule. So, you know, in school, okay, you know exactly what to do at what time and stuff, and it works, okay? You, on that hour, you go to this class. Then you have a little break, you go to that class. So do the same thing in your day. So for example, you wake up, okay, let's say you go to school, okay, whatever. You came back, okay, you do this, then you do that, then you do that. I don't know, it frees your, I don't know, just memory, okay, in your head. So now you have, I don't know, more space on the important stuff to actually doing the tasks. Yeah, all those stuff I use. I make a to-do list. I also use habit tracker. I plan my next day. Not always, but I see whenever I do, it makes my day more productive, and that's worth to do it. Also, I set goals, and I try to get enough sleep and eat kinda good. Okay, and also, yeah, I have like a schedule for each day, so that's what I use, and that's what helped me actually go from, drawing once every 2 days for 10-30 minutes to actually drawing daily for like 3-4 hours. Okay, so that's what I want you to also be. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you learned something. Okay, if you did, I don't know, like, comment, subscribe. Maybe you have some other tips. I would appreciate if you had some other useful stuff that I maybe can use. So yeah, I just try to learn stuff and learn that stuff to you, so you can make more progress. Yeah, thank you for watching, and bye.